So how can you calibrate Compass on your Android phone? Let's get into it. So yeah, based on your Android device, you need to check out your apps section, and it is possible that you go in there and you might be able to find the Compass app. Right? Personally, I didn't have it and I had to download it as a third-party app from the Google Play Store, right? So if that is the case, you need to also get the app from the Google Play Store. But what's also important is to get this app, which is called a Sensor Box. And this app basically checks the sensors of your phone. And what we want to get to is the magnetic sensor, because we actually want to make sure that the phone has a magnetic sensor so it can actually use the Compass app and give you proper information, right? So this is what the app is good for. However, when it comes to some other apps, like for example Google Maps, which use the location services and everything, right? In those apps, it also makes sense to check out some of the different settings to make it a little bit more calibrated or better functional, right? So if you click on your profile picture within the maps and click on settings, you can literally find a section called location accuracy tips. And when I click on this, it tells me that the location is already optimized, right? But when I click on the location services, it jumps me over to the settings app. And in there, I can also check out and change some different settings, right? So we have the accuracy again, and the Wi-Fi scanning, Bluetooth scanning, all to improve the way your phone accesses everything from the compass to GPS regarding your maps, right? So it makes sense. So make sure to do that. Let me know if it worked, and I'll see you later in the future videos.